Hello, I am Dr. Lakshmi Kona, Minimal Access and Bariatric Surgeon, Global Hospitals, Hyderabad. Today I will be talking on obesity. What is obesity? It is having excess body weight more than what is necessary for your height. Obesity is just not carrying the excess number of kgs on yourself, but obesity is a disease because having this excess body weight makes you fall at risk for a lot of other diseases like type 2 diabetes, hypertension, cardiac diseases, high cholesterol, in females polycystic ovaries, infertility, joint problems and lungs going bad. So as the person keeps on gaining weight, they become prey to these deadly diseases, and losing weight is a very important part of treatment for controlling any of these diseases. Now losing weight is not an easy thing. So initially some may try diet and exercise, going through various diet regimes or going through various weight loss clinics and all that, but there are some set of people who may still not lose their body weight in spite of the best measures they have done, but still they keep gaining weight and they become more and more diabetic, or their cardiac status goes bad. So these are the people who need to lose weight as a medical measure. For those people who are not able to lose weight by themselves through any of the conservative means like diet, exercise and all that, then they have a better option called bariatric surgery or weight loss surgery. Here we tackle the stomach and small intestines. This brings about a change in their metabolic system that brings about weight loss. So with bariatric surgery, it's not only weight loss but also an improvement in their metabolic syndrome. That is, if a obese patient undergoes surgery for weight loss, it's not only his weight comes down, but his sugars improve, his cholesterol levels improve, his heart pumps better because there is lesser pressure on it, joint pains come down. In females, polycystic ovaries resolves and they start ovulating better, and the chances that they may conceive on their own without going through the fertility treatments. Pressure on the lungs decreases, people are able to breathe better. Those needing CPAP machines to help them breathe because of their weight will go off their CPAP machines. Their depression comes down because of the improvement in body image and ability to work better. So overall, weight loss is very important. First, should not gain weight. If you're gaining weight, then take all measures to lose weight and keep your weight as close to normal weight as possible. And if you're unable to lose weight and you're becoming more and more troubled with these diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, joint pains and all that, then better to opt for bariatric surgery, lose weight and maintain good health.